Introducing Two Fat Indians food truck that serves authentic delicious Indian food in Columbus, Ohio. This day was our lucky day to see them in our neighborhood.
Hello, sir. Hi.
Meet Amit, the super friendly chef of Two Fat Indians. Follow him on his Instagram page named Two Fat Indians Sea Bus. He has a lot of varieties of Indian food, even pizza.
Chicken masala. Oh my gosh. Here's Amit.
Hi.
If you love Indian food, you better try their food. Really
you.
good. I got our order.
So we ordered two chicken masala and two naan bread. It is absolutely delicious.